The Greater Accra Regional Hospital has one of the best facilities for the treatment of children facing various ailments, from preterm babies through children with cancers to those who may be struggling to breathe as a result of choking from feeding. But the best is still not enough. The facility is faced with resource challenges requiring public support. The appeal met the benevolence of Unique Insurance, which donated 20,000 Ghana cedis and assorted items for the upkeep of children there. Managing Director Victor Obing Ediya wants government to provide increased tax incentives to companies that invest in health and education.
I will encourage other corporate bodies to follow suit what Unique Insurance has done. Even if it's not Ridge Hospital, there are other hospitals around. We need to help them. The health workers really need help. If you get closer to them, they realize that they need help. You know, our dear lady here, the nurse, was asked, "What do you need?" The list was so tall that he couldn't even mention them. You know, it took a while before she could start, list. I'm sure if you go back to them, she will even say more. So I encourage all corporate bodies, bigger and smaller, Widows Smile to help. Let's take our CSR very seriously. And I'm praying that government will help corporate bodies who devote parts of they should increase the tax holidays and tax rebates for companies that, devote a chunk of their budget for CSR. And they can even, to encourage people more, you can even say that if you do more of health and education, your tax discount is, let's say, 5%. If you do for beauty pageant, yours is 0.5%. I'll go for that so that we stay with health and do more for health and education in this country.
Survival of children in Ghana has significantly improved since the last 30 years, according to data from UNICEF. From around 130 deaths out of every 1,000 births in 1991, the situation has improved with less than 50 deaths out of every 1,000 births. But more remains to be done in achieving zero deaths. Head of the pediatric unit of the Greater Accra Regional Hospital, Dr. Yvonne Brew, is concerned that corporate Ghana and individuals are not showing as much interest in the survival of children as they're doing for the entertainment industry.
When you write to companies for support, you are competing with beauty pageants, and it's very difficult when you have a beautiful girl on one side and you have a sick child on the other side. The companies tend to take the beautiful girl and leave the sick child, and so we have to always, and it's happening all over, pediatricians all over Ghana have to use their own money many times to help get care for children. So I think that yes, government should really consider giving a tax holiday to companies that support education and health. I think that will go a long way to really help our children survive. We want our children to survive and we want them to thrive. We want every child to get good health care. We want every child to go to school. And we think that it is a call in the right direction.
UNICEF has highlighted the role of corporate organizations in helping to improve child well-being, especially in countries where government support is not enough.